This house is a 1925 that's located in very quiet neighborhood, Highland Gardens. This one is almost 12,000 square feet lot. It's a big lot, and as well price is around 1.3 million. They do have 80% hurricane impact windows. It's a livable condition, but if you want a brand new house, probably you need to do your own renovation. They do have one extra closet. Okay, let's take a look here. Here, that's the dining table, dining area. They do have this space over there. I'm going to show later. And here, you have the kitchen. They did the kitchen probably 15 years ago. It's perfect condition. Okay, sometimes the people buy those properties and they wait some few months to decide to do the full renovation, but so they got 100% livable condition. Here, that's the TV area. Very interesting, very nice layout. They do have a wash and dryer here with extra storage area. And they do have one full bedroom. They use it as an office. They do have a small hat factory here. They have the full bathroom here. And let's take a look here. They do have the half bath for the guests, for the visit. And then we have that's the main door I just showed to you. I showed this side of the house. Now I'm going to show the right side of the house. Okay, I show already 2 bedrooms. That's the 3rd bedroom here. That's the 4th bedroom here. And the full bathroom. This bathroom is for this, and this one is supposed to be the master. The master, they do have access to the pool. I'm going to show in a few minutes. We have the good size and closets, and they do have this one go to outside. Okay, let's open the door here to show the pool. And now let's see how big this lot. It's a very, very good sized lot. Sometimes people want to have a big lot. They can have the extra space for the kids. They don't feel so tight. And here, that's very nice sized lot. And then you have those beautiful trees, and then you don't have neighbors in the back of the house because they face the street, but you have 100% privacy from this.